In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional certificate in Canva. We'll go through the full process from choosing a template to downloading a polished file that's ready for high-quality printing. If you want your certificate to look clean, official, and visually appealing, Canva makes the process simple, even if you don't have any design experience. First, open Canva and click Create a Design. This is where you begin any new project in Canva, and it gives you access to a wide range of ready-made formats. Once you're in, use the search bar to look for certificate designs. Search for certificate and then choose a template that matches the style you want. Some templates look formal and traditional, while others feel more modern or creative. So take a moment to pick one that fits the purpose of your award. After selecting your template, start adding the main information. Replace the sample text with the recipient's name, the title of the award, the date, and the organization details. This is the most important part of the certificate, so type carefully and make sure everything is accurate. The recipient's name is usually the focal point, so it should stand out clearly and be easy to read. The award title and organization details should also look balanced and professional. Next, customize the overall design so the certificate matches your brand or event style. You can adjust the fonts, colors, logo, and other design elements. Try to keep the design consistent. For example, if the certificate is for a formal event, use elegant fonts and restrained colors. If it's for a school, team, or creative program, you can make it a little more vibrant while still keeping it polished. Adding your logo can also help make the certificate look more official and personalized. Once the content and style are in place, carefully check all the details and make sure everything is aligned. This step is easy to overlook, but it makes a big difference in the final result. Review spelling, spacing, and placement. Make sure the text boxes are lined up properly and that nothing looks off-center or crowded. A certificate should feel balanced and neat, especially if it's being printed or presented formally. When everything looks correct, click Download and choose PDF Print for high-quality printing. This format is ideal because it preserves the layout and gives you a sharper, more professional result on paper. That's it. You now have a custom certificate design that looks professional and is ready to print.